Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Febri Pratama, NPM 2441140, kelas manajemen 24A. Decoding data, understanding key macroeconomic indicators. Welcome to our deep dive into macroeconomic data, a critical tool for interpreting a country economics, health, and building strategies decision. This presentation unpack fundamental indicator like GDP, inflation, unemployment, and more, breaking down what these metrics reveal about economic performance and living standard. As we process, you will gain clarity on how TC complex data point interest and invest business policy markers and everyday life. GDP, the engine of economic growth. What is GDP? Gross domestic products. GDP quantifies the total value of all goods and services produced within a country during a specific period. It serves as a snapshot of economic activity and growth phase. Why it matters? GDP growth indicates a healthy, expanding economic, leading to job creation and higher economies. Conversely, stagnating of shrinking GDP one of economic trouble affecting investment and policy decision. Inflation, measuring price stability. Definition: inflation tracks the rate at which overall prices for goods and services increase according purchasing power over time. Inflation, moderate inflation signal a growing economy, but excessive inflation can reduce consumer confidence, increase costs, and disrupt markets. Measurement. Common measures include the Consumer Price Index (CPI) and Producer Price Index (PPI), reflecting change in retail and wholesale prices respectively. Unemployment, gauging labor market health. Unemployment rate, the percentage of the labor force actively seeking employment but unable to find work, a crucial labor market indicator. Types of unemployment: frictional transition period between job, structural skill of geographic mismatches, cyclical economic downturn effect. Economic impact: high unemployment, stresses social system and depresses demand, will vary. Low level can signal thick labor market and potential inflation. Interest rates, the cost of borrowing. 1. Setting interest rates. Central bank adjust rates to balance economic growth and inflation, influencing borrowing costs across the economics. 2. Lower rates encourage borrowing and spending, stimulating business investment and consumer demand. 3. Higher rates discourage borrowing to call inflation, but can restrain economic expansion. Consumer confidence, sentiment and spending. Confidence index measures consumer optimism about the economic, influencing spending and shaping decision. Spending behavior. Higher confidence often translates into increased retail sales and economic momentum. Economic feedback. Consumer sentiment can predict future economic trends and with forecasts. Trade balance, imports versus exports. Import flow of goods and services can contribute from abroad. Export volume of goods and services a country sell internationally. Trade deficit and surplus. Surplus indicates more export than import. A deficit means the opposite, affecting currency value and economic policies. Government debt, fiscal responsibility, debt to GDP ratio, indicator of government debts compared to economic output. Inflation, high debt can limit fiscal flexibility, increase borrowing costs, and affect credit ratings. Debt management strategies include deficit reduction, economic growth stimulation, and debt refinancing. Housing market, a leading economic indicator. Housing start, new residential construction projects signal builder confidence and economic momentum. Home sales reflect consumer demand and willingness to invest in long-term assets. Price trend, rising price can indicate security and economic strength, will drop may reflect recession risks. Putting it all together, analyzing the macroeconomic landscape. 1. Monitor indicator. Track key data point like GDP, inflation, and unemployment for a comprehensive overview to understand interaction. Analyze how variables influence on another and impact economic cycles. 3. Inform decision whose instinct to guide business strategy, policy making, and investment choices.